if I can heal myself right now, if I can work through, if I can transmute this anxiety, these fears, all this density, I am being of service to the collective. And not just because, and here, this is the nuance for me. Obviously, if I can heal myself and get it together, I'm going to be less of a burden and I'm going to be more fun to be around. There's that. But there's something I feel that's more subtle. It's kind of in the field, which is if I transmute my stuff, I'm taking this piece of the pie and I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to take this little piece of the field and compost it and cleanse it and radiate higher vibration. And so, I say to people, like, go to the depths, and if you get your depression healed up, thank you, because it's a contribution to the field. So that reframe has been really helpful for me.